Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you the simple steps to adjust temperature sensor calibration with our MAGIO circulators. This feature is called ATC function, which stands for Absolute Temperature Control. For various reasons, you can obtain a slight temperature difference between the temperature sensor in the MAGIO and a defined point inside the bath. To compensate for this difference, you can use the ATC function. Let's see together how that works. The MAGIO is heated to 40 degrees Celsius and a sample is placed into the bath. Now we need an external temperature sensor to check the defined point inside the bath. For an accurate reference, please wait a few seconds. The temperature sensor now shows us a temperature of 40.02 degrees Celsius, so we need to compensate the difference of 0.02 degrees Celsius. In the submenu Install Unit, you will find the section Adjust Temperature Sensors. For adjusting the temperature inside the bath, choose ATC Internal. For adjusting the temperature in an external device such as a reactor, choose ATC External. For our example, we choose ATC Internal and add a new correction point. With Accept Current Temperature, you can simply enter the temperature we measured before, 40.02 degrees Celsius. To delete the correction point, just press the red minus. If you already know both values and do not want to wait for each individual temperature to be reached, you can also set the temperature and the corresponding correction value with Enter Temperature. That's it. The adjustment is done. If you need more correction points for different temperatures, no problem. Up to 10 points are possible. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.